What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Abel, and I'm back with another video. And with today's video, we're going to talk about 5 reasons why you should not actually start trading Forex and why you should not try to do this as a career. But before we even go ahead and get into this banger, I want to give a massive shout out to all of my Noti Gang members in the chat. Shout out to all you guys that are part of the Noti Gang community. I appreciate y'all. You guys know I drop these bangers for y'all and only you guys. Without y'all, I would not be able to actually grow this channel and get the engagement that I truly need to help grow this channel. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for being a supportive cast member of this community. And I look forward to continue to helping you guys grow. Now, if you want to be a part of Noti Gang, guys, it's very, very simple. All you got to do is go ahead and be subscribed to the channel. Comment Noti Gang down below in the comments down below. And also make sure to have notifications turned on so that you are updated on when I drop some bangers. So I want to go ahead and just shout out these Noti Gang members right here on the screen. I appreciate y'all. Thank you guys once again. And I look forward to, like I said, continue to provide you guys with massive value. Now, before we even go ahead and get into this banger family, I also do want to just give you guys a big announcement. I just recently created memberships here for YouTube. There should be a join button next to the subscribe button, especially for anybody that truly wants to get a little bit more hands-on help with trading. It's very simple, guys. You go ahead and click on the join button. You pick one of the actual memberships that are very cheap. They're very inexpensive. And once you join, you get access to a private Telegram chat that I created, where I'm literally going to be providing you guys with a ton of value with everything related to trading Forex. So if you are excited, or if you look forward for something like that, or if you want to be a part of something like that, family, go ahead and hit that join button. Go ahead and pick one of the memberships. Take advantage of all the perks that you guys also get as well. And send me a message on Instagram with your YouTube name, and I will go ahead and send you the link to be a part of the Telegram itself. So without further ado, family, I appreciate y'all. Now let's go ahead and get into this banger. All right, family, so like I mentioned, we're going to go ahead and really talk about 5 reasons why you should not trade Forex, because all you're going to see on social media and everywhere else, guys, is really trying to encourage you to get started, which is something I do as well, because this is a very valuable skill set that once you learn, nobody can take from you. But there are also a lot of reasons why you should not do it, because trading is not just a walk in the park. It's not something that's going to happen overnight. And I want to be the person to really bring you guys clarity on why you shouldn't even go ahead and really get started with this. So the first thing that I want to bring up, guys, is that the reason why you should not trade Forex is because Forex is not for everybody, okay? It's for anybody that actually decides to put in the work, put in the effort, but it's not for everybody. Trading Forex has a very high failure rate, and that's just a fact. With 5% of people that actually pursue this career or pursue this skill set actually are able to live off trading Forex full time and is able to bring in a full-time income through it. Okay, that means 95% of traders out there that try to do this do not end up succeeding. If you do not try to take this seriously, and if you want to more so treat this like a hobby, then you might as well not even bother wasting your time, wasting your energy, and wasting your money with pursuing this skill, because you're only going to be doing exactly what I just mentioned: wasting time, wasting energy, and wasting money. So if that's you, if you don't want to do this full time, if you don't want to really put in the time and the effort it takes, then don't even bother trading Forex. Now, the second reason why you should not trade Forex is because it's going to involve you actually learning how to read a trading chart, okay? Because trading Forex is very technical. In order for you to really understand how to do it, and in order for you to really see results, you also have to understand, guys, that we are trading on margin, which means that you have to learn how to read the charts so that you're able to really find the correct entries in the market. Trading and investing are 2 different things. When you're investing, you go ahead and invest into a certain asset or whatever it is you're investing into. And if the price depreciates, yeah, the value of that investment depreciates, but overall, you're still owning that value or that asset itself. So when price rebounds, no matter how long it takes, it will eventually get you back to where you either got in at or even supersede what you expected. With trading, you can't just let trades ride out. Because if you continue to actually let a trade ride out, it can eventually get to a point where you lost a big portion of your account and you actually get margin called, and then you quote unquote blow that account because you were pretty much just hoping that it rebounded. No, it's very, very technical. You have to learn how to read the charts. You have to learn how to understand a lot of those concepts, guys, so that you are aware of when to get in, and you also are aware to place things like your stop losses so that you are utilizing proper risk management. Now, reason number 3, family, why you should not get started with trading Forex is that this is something that's going to take years of experience for you to truly master. Okay, you're not going to come in, guys, and in 6 months turn a $100 account, $1,000 account into a multi-million-dollar account. That's just not realistic whatsoever. I get it. On social media, it's portrayed that way, but that is not exactly how this is going to work. You're going to have to put in a lot of time, a lot of energy into learning a strategy, learning risk management, learning all the other aspects to it. But you're also going to have to really gain that experience that is going to take you to truly become one with the charts, guys, right? The biggest difference from a non-profitable trader and a profitable trader, even if they both know the same strategy, is that experience factor, okay? Because there's going to be a lot of things that come up that's going to really, really test you as a trader. And through experience, you'll be able to learn how to handle things a certain way so that you are profitable in the long run. Now, the 4th reason, guys, why you should not trade Forex is because trading involves risk, and whenever there's a potential for risk, there's always going to be a potential for loss, guys, especially when we're talking about trading Forex, where losses are actually very, very normal. It's literally a part of the game. You're never going to come in, no matter how experienced you are, and win 100% of your trades, because there's too many factors, guys, that move these financial markets, okay? So you're going to take losses. So if you're somebody that just can't stomach losses or struggle with really managing your emotions because of losses, then this is not for you. You have to be able to learn how to manage and control your losses, because that's the name of the game here. You're going to take losses. You're going to be dealing with a lot of risk, which is going to lead to more losses. And if you're not able to manage that or control that or deal with the fact that losses are a part of it, then you might as well go figure something else out. And now the 5th rule, guys, or the 5th reason why I truly believe a lot of you guys should not even bother wasting time is that trading Forex is really going to tell you a lot more about yourself than anything else in the world, right? Because when you start trading Forex, it involves having a high level of discipline, a high level of emotional control, a high level of patience. And if you're not aware of these things, while you actually start trading, you're going to realize how undisciplined you truly are as a person. You're going to realize how emotional you are as a person. You're going to realize how much or lack of patience you truly have as a person, right? And having that type of self-awareness for a lot of people is just way too much. And again, they come in and they waste a lot of time, a lot of energy, a lot of effort. And ultimately, guys, it's pretty much just time that you're never going to get back, right? So if you're not aware of the fact that this is going to teach you more about a person, of the type of person that you truly are, then this is something that eventually you will figure out in the future. So again, if you do not realize these things, and if you are not to really understand or really get to a point where you're trying to really become a master of self, then you might as well not even bother pursuing this skill set, guys, because like I said, you're going to need to have a major transformation of yourself if you truly want to see massive results. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about that. Trading is all about self-mastery. At the end of the day, it's not all about just technical analysis, which is reading the charts. It's not just about understanding fundamentals and sentimental analysis. It's truly all about self-mastery. How you react and respond to certain plays, certain market conditions, certain trades is really going to be the difference maker throughout the whole process. All right. So again, if you are not aware of these things, and if you don't realize that it is going to cause you to change as a person, and if you're one of those people that just refuse to change, then you're pretty much going to be wasting a lot of time and a lot of money. So you might as well not even bother. Whoa, guys. I just had to jump in here really quickly to go ahead and put you guys onto game to the broker that I've actually been using for the past few years, and the broker that I highly encourage you guys to go ahead and be a part of as well. And the reason for that is because I'm constantly getting asked the same exact question. Abel, what broker do you use? What is your go-to broker, bro? I need to know. Well, family, I'm now going ahead and letting you guys know exactly what that broker is. And that broker is called Ankle Trade, guys. And the reason why I love this broker is because, for one, they have the tightest spreads in the game. I'm talking about spreads from 0.1 pips, maybe even sometimes lower for the major currency pairs. But they also offer 1 to 500 leverage, which is absolutely amazing, guys, for those of you guys that are using smaller account balances. And on top of that, they have the lowest commissions in the market for only $1 per 100K traded when you're utilizing the ECN Plus account. And another dope thing as well is that they actually have a negative balance protection, so you can never go negative in your trading account, right? And we're not even gonna get into the amazing customer service that they have, because it is top notch, family. So if you guys want to have access to that broker, go down into my description down below. It's literally going to be a link that says go to broker, and make sure to sign up today and go ahead and get to trading. Now let's get back into the video. Now on the flip side, guys, I do want to go ahead and tell you a few reasons why you should pursue this, because if you are brave enough, if you do have the courage to go through every single thing that I showed you right now, right? Those 5 reasons why you shouldn't trade. If you're brave enough and have the courage to actually go through those things, then yes, trading Forex is for you. But you have to understand how much time and how much energy and how much money it's going to take in order for you to really become a profitable trader. But once you do get to that point, guys, of profitability, you're going to realize how amazing this skill set and understanding this skill set and trading this skill set truly is. Because once you do actually become profitable and you are able to really manage your emotions, manage your risk correctly, manage your trading money correctly, and do all the stuff that's important and that's needed, you're going to realize that this skill set is going to offer you so much more than anything out there by far. Because once you do learn how to trade Forex and you are profitable and you are at a point where you start scaling and growing accounts, you're going to also realize, guys, that this type of money that you're able to make is not type of money that you're going to be able to get anywhere else. No 9 to 5, very few careers are going to be able to really allow you to become an ATM and allow you to really grow a lot of money in pretty much a short period of time once you put the work in. You're also going to realize, guys, that the freedom that you truly get when you actually start to learn it and you become profitable trader is pretty much, I mean, there's no type of comparison out there, because you're able to make money anywhere in this world at any time in this world. It doesn't matter if you're right in your home office. It doesn't matter if you're trading on a beach over there in Costa Rica, in the jungle in Costa Rica. It doesn't matter if you're in Europe. It doesn't matter nothing. Right? Because that's the beauty of learning this skill set, is that the freedom that you get is top notch. Once you learn the skill set and you're able to manage your emotions and your disciplines, you're going to be literally a walking ATM that's able to really operate how you truly want to operate with ultimate time freedom. And that's pretty much what I truly love about this skill set. And on top of that, once you really get good at this and you start to have a lot more capital to play with, then you're really able to go ahead and start investing into other opportunities that are a lot more passive than what trading is. Because trading is active income. If you're not trading, you're not making money unless you're utilizing a bot or things like that, right? But if you're not trading, you're not making money. So once you get the money, then you'll be able to go ahead and leverage that money to start other businesses, other avenues of other streams of income. That's where real generational wealth really starts to come in, right? It's not through just trading, it's through the income that comes into trading that allows you to go ahead and invest into other assets or other businesses or other opportunities. So family, this is 5 reasons why you should not join trading or start trading, but this is also a breakdown of why, if you do go through with it, why it's an amazing opportunity to take advantage of. So family, I appreciate y'all. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you're still here right now, make sure to go ahead and be a part of the membership. Make sure to be a part of the community. Make sure to drop a noti gang in the chat down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.